Hello everyone, welcome to our chemistry class. We have started chapter number 4, that is water, and today we are going to study about domestic water supply. So, Earth is a watery planet. It contains 3% of fresh water and 90% of saline water of the oceans, out of which 3% of the surface water of the rivers, lakes and springs. The water of these resources contain germs, impurities. So, large scale purification is done before the water that reaches our home so that we can drink a purified water. So, let's see the water purification process. So, firstly, the water from the rivers through the inner pipes reaches to the sedimentation tank. So, first step is the water that is from the rivers sent to the sedimentation tank. So, in the sedimentation tank, the impurities settle down and the supernatant water is then passed into the filtration tank. Here, this is a sedimentation tank. In sedimentation, you know that the large or the heavier impurities settle down at the bottom. So, we can use alum also, which helps to the heavier impurities to settle down easily. Now the water from the sedimentation tank passes to the filtration tank. This is our second step, and the filtration tank has 3 layers. First one is the sand, second one is the charcoal and the third one is the gravel, and these having the different functions. Firstly, the unsettled impurities are retained by the sand, and the charcoal remove the gases dissolved in the water. Then clear water passes through the gravel. Now let's see, this is a filtration tank and it having 3 layers. First one is the charcoal layer, second one is the sand layer and the third one is the gravel layer. And you know that the charcoal's function is to remove the gases dissolved in the water, and the sand retains unsettled impurities. Then the clear water passes through the gravel. Then in the third step, the water from the filtration tank passes to the chlorination tank. Here the chlorine gas is passed to the water so that it kills the bacteria and the other germs that are present in the water, and then the water become a purified water. Then this is a chlorination tank, and here the chlorine gas is passed through the water and it kills all the germs and impurities present in the impure water. This is the last step where the clear water that is fit and safe for drinking, that is called the potable water. This water pumps to the reservoir, that is called the storage tank also, from where it is distributed for the domestic supply. So, this is a storage tank where the pure water is stored, and from this storage tank the water is supplied to our homes through the inner pipes, and we get purified water through our home taps. In markets we get water that are labeled by the different brands, but the basic elements of these filter waters are the same. So the next one is mineral water. Drinking water sold in bottles is labeled as mineral water. The water that we get from the markets, that is called the mineral water. The chemically pure water is not fit for drinking as it corrodes the digestive organs. So after obtaining the pure water from the rivers, the calculated amount of minerals like sodium, potassium, calcium, iron is added to it before the packing.